Here's this replay right here. It shows that, oh wow, went up on his top and flipped back down. Wow.
Impressive. You know, those guys gain some positions pretty quickly.
And it looks like that number 96X, I don't think he'll be able to return. It looks like he's got a driver rear axle that's bent from rolling over the front.
That's how you pull a Ranger motor with a 45 horsepower engine hoist. Right there. Nice and bueno. Door open, and look at all the clay from Bristol. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Oh yeah, right, so with all the rust. I mean, there's still, well, there was still some of the roof. Now it's not so much the roof anymore. Much better, right? Convertible. All right. Get it now. Oh yeah, first pull. It's a good cage right there, Bubba. Oh! Might want to cut some wires off of it. Cage is back in, all welded together up here. Just need to do the door bars and then the mounts underneath. The whole front end assembly. I basically have new everything coming in. New power stop brakes, new upper control arms, new bushings for everything. Definitely leaving the wheel liners out is gonna make the engine work so much easier because I can just get everything right here. I don't know who took this truck apart, but instead of zip ties, they just use a plug and cord to wrap it around there. Well, would you look at that? Them power stop brakes look, oh man, I just stained it. Whatever, those power stop brakes are gonna be way too much. I mean, they're about what I paid for this truck, but I think it's gonna be worth it. So shiny. Oh yeah, it's coming together now. Got all this painted back here. Kind of sprinkling, so if you guys don't know, that's what it's going to look like, just like that, but extended cap now. So gotta throw all this crap away, and then we'll paint this black and put it back on. We got the Ranger back in the lifts. We're pulling this transmission now. We're only
T-minus 12 hours, no big deal.
Yeah, we gotta be at the racetrack at like noon tomorrow. It's already midnight. We'll be good. Is it really Hewitt Industries if it's not last minute? Oh, we got this transmission right here, so we're gonna throw this puppy back in there. It had a brand new torque converter that's in the truck right now, so seems everything to be good. I just had no forward gears, no reverse gears, anything. All right, so I think we got it fixed. So we just bought transmission number 4 and number 5 because it was a package deal. $600 for both these transmissions. The issue is mid 2000, whenever they switched to the new trucks for 2001, it was a like 5R 55E or R, whatever it is, and the other one, they only made one change to them, and that change is a speed sensor that sits right there. Well, this one has it. This is from a 2002. This is from a 2000, and I put in the first one. First transmission got stuck, and it was stuck forward gear. No matter what, it was only trying to go forward, park forward, reverse forward, neutral forward. We think all the forward gears were welded together, I guess from heat or something like that. Or maybe when I flip, because apparently with hard contact, they like to weld together.
Oh.
I don't know where hard contact would have came from, because I've never wrecked that truck once.
So here's this replay right here. It shows that, oh, wow, went up on his top and flipped back down. Wow.
I bought one from a junkyard. It was the wrong one. We didn't realize until after we went ahead and put it in. Thankfully, they took it back. And, well, the issue is when I checked it, it was like, oh yeah, the date code's, you know, the right date code. Well, it was the wrong date code because it was made earlier in 2000 instead of late 2000. And that's my fault. So now we're on transmission number 4 and number 5. So if you need a Ranger transmission from pre-2001, let me know. I got plenty. Now we got to put it in, and it is like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and I still got another 45-minute drive. So let's get put in. All right, let me know if you guys need a transmission or a transmission or a transmission or a transmission. You know, I have transmission issues right now, but that's not good. It's knocking like a Jehovah's Witness up there. So what, 12 hours?
We're swapping it out.
Oh yeah.
No big deal.
New motor in this one, new trans in mine. Chad, you got 4 motors? Because I got 4 transmissions. Yeah. Woo! Hey, Chad, I got the fix for your Ranger. Here you go.
Boy, that'll tighten the bearing up.
There you go. Oh, sure. New motor delivery.
Oil pan, yes.
Look at this. Heck yeah. Look how shiny that thing is. All right.
I'm worried about having to switch all the freaking dipstick or the pickup tubes and all that crap.
Perfect.
Sweet.
Heck yeah.
$950.
Yeah, that's worth it. I'm doing it.
That's wild.
I'm ordering it from this guy. Hey, look, it's a double penis. All right, so Chad, you got this one torn down. This freaking block looked great. What else you got left?
Us
Yeah.
not having a good time is what we have left.
And it is, what, 1:30?
I don't want to know.
We got to be down there at 11. It's gonna be a great time.
Driver's meeting is at
Noon.
12:15.
Oh, okay. We got 15 extra minutes. All right, new motor is in, but it's not done yet. He's still got to finish dressing it. It is like 6:30 a.m. and pits open at 10. So we're doing great. Running on how many hours of sleep did you get last night? 5? We left here at like 3. How many last night? Like we left here at like 3. Yeah, I got like 4 because I was up and moving at 7:30, and I didn't get home and out of the shower till like 3:30. Race cars, they're fun. No, we're just running on adrenaline and take power naps. We're out here at Cleveland Farland's Freedom Factory, and I want to introduce you guys to the KC Turbos Thaw Patrol V3. Well, motor number 2 decided it is no more again. All right, so we are underneath the KC Turbos Thought Patrol, and we got a few issues. Remember, when we were at the Freedom Factory, it had no reverse and it wouldn't shift a second, and there was just a whole bunch of issues. I pulled the pan. Obviously, my work has been done here, but I can just kind of find it in here somewhere. Yep, just 2 random bolts fell. Yep, 2 random bolts. And then we look up here. If you guys know anything about transmissions, there's something missing. There's supposed to be a little pickup and filter that goes right there. And that little thing right there is just hanging out for funsies. Ah, boy. This is supposed to be like ready to put in rebuilt transmission. And it clearly is not. All right, we got the Rangers ready, about to go on the first practice of the day. Hopefully neither one of us blows up anything. Look how great these things are. Oh, we're like the only 2 here too, so practice kind of all to ourselves. All right, so we're out here. Just got the front end tightened up a little bit. I felt like it was too loose yesterday in practice. But then Chad over here. Hey Chad, what are you doing, buddy?
Waiting on the deal.
Changing out your gears?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I figured if we lift it high enough, we don't even lose any of the diff oil. It's a good idea.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh wait, I gotta pump it.
Is this OSHA approved?
Definitely. Yeah.
All right.
I mean, you're definitely allowed to work under suspended loads as long as you have a strap going through your safety chain hook.
It's a good hitch.
I don't see a problem. I mean, look, come in here a little bit. The frame is barely even damaged.
Bending. Yeah, it's barely even bending underneath the weight. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Well, this side's bent too.
It's bent this way. She ain't going anywhere. All right, about to go out. How do you feel?
Ready to go, man.
All right. Well, this one's ready. Still getting that light in the rear, kind of wanting to slide out. So I'm gonna do the best I can. I'm definitely not gonna be as quick as I was last time, but yeah. All right. So I led the race for like what, 3 laps? Hey, we're gonna say 3. That was pretty good. Hey, that's 3 out of 25. Yeah, and it's those first ones. But no, yeah, I need tires. I need tires so bad.
Trim that wheel.
Oh my gosh.
Bend it and stick it out straight.
There you go. It's completely curled. That is.
So what are you thinking?
Oh my gosh. I think we figured out why I was not doing too well in the corners.
There's wires showing.
Yeah, I'm not ever running Kendas again. It was probably a stupid idea to run Kendas, but
Oh my gosh.
at every single place. Well, we decided to run the Enduro. It's an hour of racing. You got a bunch of beaters here. Me and Chad are both gonna run. He's got my burnout tires actually on this side because his tires are absolutely chewed through. I threw on the Fat Boys, so we'll see how we do.
Burnt clutch, you love it. Gotta love it. These trucks are not going to be in one piece at the end. I said these trucks are not this. That sound like a...
That should be Chad.
Wait, listen to him when he comes back by. No, it went away. Must have been tired. Yeah, I think it was brakes. Oh, we're getting close over there. Cat's right there.